In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a swipe motion animation in Canva. If you've ever wanted to create a smooth and engaging animation for your presentations or social media posts, this guide is for you. We're going to take you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently create your own animation by the end of this video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you don't already have an account, no worries. Creating one is straightforward. Once you're in, you'll see the home interface, which is packed with all sorts of templates and design options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Canva. Now, create a new design. You can do this by clicking on the Create a Design button at the top right of your screen. Select a template that suits your project's needs, or start with a custom dimension tailored to where your animation will be showcased, be it Instagram, a presentation, or elsewhere. With your canvas ready, it's time to add your main content. This could be your information, images, graphics, or anything you want to animate. To keep your audience engaged, focus on clear visuals and concise text. Remember, simplicity often leads to stronger communication. Once you've laid out your main content, head to the bottom of the page to click Duplicate Page. This action will create a second version of your current page, which is essential for creating motion. Here, you can make small changes. Adjust elements by moving them slightly, changing colors, or altering the size to create that dynamic visual change when we animate. Next, look to the top toolbar and click on Animate. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several animation options, but for creating a swipe effect, focus on the Page Animation section. Here, you should choose either Slide or Pan. Both options are great for adding smooth motion to your design and lend themselves well to swiping effects as they give that transition flow from one page to the next. To enhance the animation, click on the transition icon between your pages and select Match and Move. This feature aligns elements on separate pages and generates a seamless transition effect, amplifying the swipe experience. It gives viewers an illusion of motion as if they're progressing through a seamless story. Once you're happy with how your animation looks, it's time to bring it to life outside of Canva. Click on Share in the top right-hand corner and proceed to download your project as an MP4. This format ensures that your animation maintains its quality and fluidity when shared or uploaded elsewhere. There you have it, a straightforward method to create a swipe motion animation in Canva. This technique can significantly enhance your designs, making them more interactive and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!